Aksyon Balita!
This milestone marks a significant leap forward in our shared vision of bringing swift, reliable, and modern emergency response directly to the doorsteps of our constituents. By bridging the gap between our communities and our first-hand responders, this initiative underscores General Cardino's commendable leadership and the PNP's unwavering commitment to peace, security, and well-being of every Negorense. I could not stress more how delightful I am to the launching of the Safe NIR Dial 911 hotline. Having served as the grassroots level as a barangay kapitan of Barangay Kalindagan, and later as Dumaguete Vice Mayor, I know firsthand that when an emergency strikes, seconds count. I vividly recall my time as barangay captain, working shoulder to shoulder with our barangay kagawads and uniformed personnel at the absolute forefront of local emergencies. Whether navigating the immediate aftermath of a natural calamity or managing critical crises, we were the default first responders tasked with protecting our community with every single second counted. Muna ang ato ang mga barangay kapitan. I'm so happy that you're here. No, because no matter what, everything ang sa barangay kamumang yun ang the responsibility is really in your shoulder. But then our constituents had to memorize a dizzying list of local digits just to ask for help, or worse, many do not know how to respond to seek help in the first place. Today, seeing our neighbors in Bacolod already benefiting from this program, right, sir? I am thrilled that our constituents will finally have that same peace of mind. By simplifying emergency access to 3 digits 911, we are removing barriers between the people and the urgent rescue or police or medical intervention that they deserve. We are bringing safety and security right at the very doorstep of our constituents. This hotline is more than just a technological upgrade. It is a vital lifeline for the safety and welfare of our entire province. Whether it is responding to a crime in progress, rushing to a major road accident, or deploying medical and fire personnel when lives are at stake, Safe NIR 911 ensures that the PNP's presence is reliable, truly seen and felt. While today marks a monumental step forward, we must also ground ourselves in reality. We are still on the journey toward fully realizing a truly safe and completely secure community for our constituents. Progress is continuous effort, and we still have gaps to bridge and vulnerabilities to address. It is precisely because of these remaining challenges that we support proactive, modern programs such as this. We welcome the initiative with open arms as a cornerstone of our moving forward toward a safer and more reliable province. As the representative of the 2nd District of Negros Oriental, my commitment to our shared security extends to the halls of Congress. Rest assured, the PNP has my steadfast support in drafting and passing PNP-related and safety-focused legislations that not only directly address the evolving needs of our communities, but also the welfare of our uniformed personnel who day in and day out dedicate their lives to our constituents. The goal is to ensure our law enforcement agencies have that institutional support they need to build a safer foundation, not just for Negros Island region, but for the entire country under the Bagong Pilipinas. Let us embrace this program by doing our part, stay alert, look out for one another, and use this hotline responsibly. Together with the PNP, let us make Negros Oriental a place where peace is felt, safety is guaranteed, and every citizen sleeps soundly at night. Mayong buntag kaninyong tanan ug daghan kayo salamat.
Aksyon Balita!
Walay pugong-pugong mubulgar sa kamatuuran sa kanginan.